Hey, I'm Tony Angelo, and these are the beginner basic tools you'll need to get started working on cars. First, I have a little wiring kit. Got a multimeter, a set of crimp connectors, crimpers, strippers, and some electrical tape. You're gonna need some Allen wrenches. One little set of standard, one set of metric. A whole gang of random wrenches. One medium-sized ball peen hammer. Just a set of needle nose pliers and channel locks for big and little. And a few assorted screwdrivers. If you're working on carburetors, one that will fit for jets, one that you can use for the idle screws, and one medium-sized Phillips head, plus a small pry bar to pry stuff. And that is it. That will cover about 90% of the repairs you're gonna need to do to your cars. And now we're gonna move on to everyday essentials. Battery booster pack. This thing comes in handy every day. LED flashlight. These are awesome for looking under the hood, under the dash, oil, filter, wrenches. Figure out the one that works best for you and hold on tight to it. And now we're moving on to fab favorites. This is my Miller multi-process welder. This thing does it all. Over here, maybe the most used fab tool is my little vertical bandsaw, constantly cutting brackets, piping, tubing, anything we need. This is a throatless shear. So this is basically for thin sheet metal, but you can cut huge pieces on it. And over here, this is a World War II era drill press. They do not make them like this anymore. Anything we can chuck up in here and hold down, it will drill right through. And this is the single raddest tool in the whole shop, our gantry crane. This is from the building being used as a World War II machine shop. In the 40s, they built gun barrels for ships here, so they needed this big monster to move those barrels around the shop. So it moves all over everywhere, from the door all the way to the back room, and it's incredible. We use it here in Stay Tuned to do anything and everything with heavy lifting. We pull all the motors out with this thing. We actually installed the lift with it. And most recently, we stuck the new 4.3 that we have all souped up in our Cyclone, lifted it up like it was nothing with this thing, walked it all the way across the shop, and dropped it into our little S10 truck. And that is the single coolest tool we have.